No, I'm not living in Dubai, Mr. Hadia. I'm Philippines. I'm here in Philippines now. Yes, thank you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, everyone.
Tingnan natin yung payment.
Dorimi. Dorimi pasong latido. Thank you for the heart me, Dorimi. Thank you so much. Thank you for the heart me. Dorimi, my Dorimi. Thank you, Dorimi, my Dorimi. Guys, thank you so much. Nice to see you, everyone. Guys, heart me. Nice to see you, everyone. Nice to see you, everyone. I can't believe you. Everyone, nice to see you, Mr. Bell. Nice to see you, everyone. Thank you for the follow, everyone. Thank you so much. Good evening. Good evening, good evening. Guys, heart me, guys. Good evening. Nice to see you, everyone. Guys, good evening, everyone. Nice to see you po. Wonderful tonight. Oh. Good evening. Nice to see you, everyone. Nice to see you. Thank you sa pag-likes. Thank you so much, Sir Pete. Sir Pete Bike.
Wala naman daw na.
Thank you so much. Na vitamin to.
Ang kailan mo kaya, di ba?
Ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Taga saan? Cavite lang. Cavite lang po. Thank you. Nice to see you, everyone. Guys, heart me. Yaluson. Thank you, Sir Tim. Thank you so much for the heart, Mr. Tim. Nice to see you. Sir Tim, how are you? Good morning.
Mapasang iwan.
Good morning, good morning. I know your time is morning.
Para mas lalo siya tumaba.
Sir Tim, where are you from? Eagle, welcome, Eagle. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, everyone. Wow. Nice meeting you, sir. Sir Tim, nice meeting you here in TikTok. Oh my name, Angel. Angel. Agel. Agel. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Tim. Team 4. Sir Team 4. Hey girl, hurt me. No, I don't like coffee because it's night there. It's night here. So every time I take coffee in the night, I'm not good sleeping. Yeah, I'm not good sleeping. Ano daw? Laban mo. Sana. Sana all laban. Ang pinagsasabi mo. Ang pinagsasabi nito. Ewan ko sa inyo. Thank you, Angel. Thank you, Angel. Ay, Angel. Egel. Angel ako ng Angel. Egel. Egel. Thank you, Egel. I like flying. I like flying. Like eagle. Flying to the moon. Thank you so much. Hi. Thank you. Nice to see you, everyone. Heart me and share the live and send me gift. Yeah, welcome, Elle. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, everyone.
Please.
Nice to see you, everyone. Good morning, good evening. Well, thank you for the I love you. Sir Vince team. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Heart me. Thank you for the heart me. Thank you for the I love you again. I love you so much. Thank you, thank you. Damn, heart me. I love you so much, Sir Tim. Sir Tim, I love you so much. You of many, I love you. Thank you so much. Sir Tim, thank you for that. Whee! Hello, thank you.
Hooray.
Ay, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sir Tim. Sir Tim, where are you from?
Arcel ngayon.
I follow you. Sir Tim, I follow you, okay? Arms! Germany, wow, nice. Arms, thank you, Arms. Heart me, Arms. Thank you sa pag-follow back, Sir Tim. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Arms. Heart me, Arms. Is your Arms?
Sige kasi dyan ang ikaw sa akin, di ako makasama rin.
Ba't dyan ka kasi sa tabi, ah? I love you. Thank you for the I love you. Thank you for the finger heart, Sir Tim. Thank you so much. Wow. Kita ba naman doon? Nagtagilid ang phone.
You say Miss Abigail? Yes, ma'am. Miss Abigail is...
Painaan mo nga't gabi na!
No, there's nobody in front.
Sino nanonood?
Ikaw.
Sir Tim, thank you. Painaan niyo yung TV. Saan yung remote?
Miss Abigail is... She died 2 years ago.
Oh my God, my kids. Yeah, I have, Sir Tim. Thank you. Nice to see you, everyone. Nice to see you, everyone. Thank you, Sir Tim. Sir Paido. Thank you for the I love you. There, how are you there? Thank you for the roses there. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good morning. Sir Tim, thank you so much. Thank you. My eyes is not good. Oh my God. Wow, thank you there. I'm from Philippines. Sir Tim. Yes, Sir Tim. I'm from Philippines. I'm Filipina. Yes. Why? Hello, dear, thank you. I like that, dear. Come to me. Dear, thank you so much. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Sir Tim. Come to me in Germany. Come to you in Germany. It's not easy. Thank See ya. Yes. Okay there. See you. Be blessed always. God bless. Thank you. Sir Tim, it's not easy to come to Germany. I don't have money to the mini requirements, right? You have a good. Sir Tim. Really, Sir Tim, huh? Hello, good evening. Nice to see you, everyone. Nice to see you, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Guys, tap the screen. Tap the screen, please. And heart me, guys. Heart me. Tap the screen and heart me, guys. Alright. With okay, Sir Tim. Really, Sir Tim? Maybe it's a joke. Many people see that to me, but it's not true. It's like a joke. Mhm. Sir Tem. Sir Tem. Guys, in my goal, guys, in my goal. I want to put the goal. Zero, welcome Zero. Wait lang guys. Wait lang guys. Wait lang guys. I need to change my goal. Time to shine. Oh God, ang gaganda ng mga goal. What is this? Really good. Sana may mag-send. Ngayon si Gokups. Oh my God. See. Nice to see you, everyone. Heart me, guys. Heart me. WhatsApp sinasabi mo.
Here's how to get true item in Sailor Moon. First, head over to Hueco Mundo, go to the left side end of the map, and get the normal 8-pin sword. Also complete this quest to unlock the Soul Society. Then head over to Soul Society. Straight ahead at the end of the map, you can see the true 8-pin NPC as the requirement. Now the
Hello? Hello.
وعليكم السلام.
Where are you
نحن
from?
بخير. that's it.
Napindot ko yan. Karim! What you doing, Karim? Sorry, I'm busy. It's okay, Karim. Yeah. It's okay. You're so very noise. Your place is very noise. Karim heart me. You have work, right? Karim heart me. Hello, Pamos. Karim, heart me. Guys, heart me. Guys, heart me. Heart for real, forgive it's not like that. Maybe it's joking. Ay, sana all.
YouTube Shorts creators keep complaining, and this is getting out of hand. So if you didn't already notice, people are always saying they get no views, and this is where it gets wild. Some of these same creators are pulling millions on their videos, and that means they are not struggling at all. And this is where it gets wild. They post a video saying they get no views right after getting 10 million, and people still believe it. So real small creators get completely ignored while big ones grow even faster. But here's the twist: there's a real chance they say this just to get more attention, and honestly, it actually works every time. And that makes it even harder for people who are actually trying to grow. So if you're seeing this, you already know it's rough. So yeah. Well, YouTube Shorts creators keep complaining, and this is getting...
This YouTuber did something so evil to me, I now hate him. You see, recently Craig Cup decided to call me out during one of my streams, and for some reason he wanted to show me his rarest brain rot. How many in the world have this? Like a few hundred in the world have it. And
I shattered the champion's glove with a single, precise blow. A fraction of a second later, a white powder exploded in the air. It wasn't cotton, it was plaster. Silence filled the room. This guy had 400 consecutive wins and had been cheating the whole time. 2 days before the fight, we had already known.
Good evening.
I can't believe I get to tell you guys about this. This is insane. You're gonna love this news, unless your name is Sammy and you make brain rot games. In which case, I don't know why everyone keeps calling me broke, bro. Not even that. Poor. As you see, here's my beautiful face as this land goes.
I got my hair. Rami, si Rami, welcome. Thank you so much sa pag-follow. Nice to see you, Sir Rami. I'm not good, may ano, ilaw. My ilaw is not good.
I know you should buy parka on top of the campfire so the bees don't go in it and die. With honey bottles, you can make sugar or honey blocks, or just drink it. With honeycomb, you can make the honeycomb block, candles, waxed copper, the beehive. The beehive is exactly the same as the bee.
Nice to see you too. Sir Rami, nice to see you. Where are you from?
The bees pop out angrily, but with it, you can transport hives and nests with the beehive. You can attract and breed bees with any flower, except I blossoms in the winter rose, to get a baby bee, which I just found out exists. And for a final tip, pollinated bees flying over crops will make them grow faster, meaning you should put crops between your hives.
The next OG revealed in Steel of Rain Rock, because Sammy just announced that he will
Grabe,
finally be adding
sakit
a new
naman
OG
nito kasi
on
ng
Saturday.
ilaw. Pangit ng ilaw sa ano, camera.
Who it will be, I figured it out. I know
Pangit
that
talaga ng ilaw.
Sammy.
I
Naduduling
tried
ako.
getting the Subway Surfers world record, except when I logged on the game, I already
Mag-ano
ran
nga
into
muna
a
ako,
problem. The game is
mag-relay.
old. I mean, there are records on the leaderboard that have been there for years. And as
Sir
optimistic
T.
as I am, I know I'm not beating them. But I have a loop.
Hello, Sir
Subway
T.
Surfers just came out with a new game, Subway Surfers Sin, and because it's brand new, people just started submitting runs on speedrun.com, which means I have time to do